The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, north central Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over the Woodlands Pavillion, or near the Woodlands, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tomball, the Woodlands, Spring, Oak Ridge North, Shenandoah, the Woodlands Pavillion, Hurricane Harbor Splashtown, and Chateau Woods. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.